We have another package for video review, the YouTube channel. Let's see what we got. Okay, this is a curved front mirror from Hogben, 300 millimeter curved mirror. So this should be a pretty easy installation, and obviously this gives you a wider angle of visibility in your car. Pretty easy installation, just adjust these clips, put it on. So we'll try it tomorrow. So I'm here with this massive GMC Sierra EV. This one has the system with the camera integrated in it, but still is pretty narrow. So let's try this 3R curve room mirror, Hongben, again 300 millimeters. Let's see if we can open it, because these packages are always difficult. Well, this knife cuts really well. Here it is. Let's read the instructions a little bit. Wide angle design for reducing the threat of blind spots. UV protected clear view. It says we use high reflection mirrors. It can be used at night or in the car with solar film attached to increase brightness. So it increases the length of mirror by expanding it. Pretty simple installation. So there it is. It's definitely a wider view, and if you turn around you see even more. So I don't know if this is better than the camera. You have to decide by yourself, but definitely an improvement from the regular mirror in this car. Just for the sake of it, let's see the difference. Much clearer and wider. So thumbs up to this product. So this is the Ram 1500 2021. So it has the regular mirror, no camera or anything like the GMC Hummer. I mean, like the Sierra EV. So
oh wow,
this is the regular view, and this is with this 3R curved mirror, room mirror. What do you like?
You see way. Hold on, let me adjust this.
Let's put it on first.
There.
Let's put it on. You definitely see a lot more, right?
Yeah, you definitely do.
You like it?
That's gonna have to take some getting used to.
Let's go for a one run around the block and see. It's a much wider view for sure. A lot of trucks here in the block. I mean, it'll be better to check it on the highway, so we're gonna leave it here. You tell me in a couple of days if you like it or not. I mean, I think it's better for sure. I mean, when you see more, it's better, no?
Yeah, it's definitely better.
And when you use the trailer and all that.
Yeah, it'll be interesting to see what it looks like when cars and stuff are behind you. Because
yeah,
it's funny because it's made the back window looks
a little smaller. Yeah,
so
because
instead
it's curved.
of getting, right, so
yeah.
Instead of getting the just the mirror, now I can see like the window looks small.
Yeah, but you see everything behind you.
Right.
I think it's an improvement, but you're gonna tell me. I guess, as you said, it's gonna take a while to get used to it. But I think it's a keeper. Another accessory for the Ram 1500.
Along with the rest of them I have.